Kubwatia nigo bekirwe igoro y'imyaka 13 na igo abalinse y'imyaka iyo nigo balinse ya morokerio ya Bible.
Mwanchumurelia Ndizi TV wiki ya eta notwarenge ase skuru ya Amasege ase wiki ye tukaba tukusanga wiki ya eta no muhorokia amonene bwe skuru ntobe tukusanga wiki ye na borokia aborokibwa boigo batumanya igoro ye skuru yabo gendo tukwata sumtano ito Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital Asense Media ya YouTube Ndizi TV News na wewetera asumtandao Oito www.ndizitv.net ndochinga amworo kenari we skuru etokumira na nere abe batumanya amaga habari yako
Nzuri.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
Yes, what's your name?
My name,
which is your school?
Okay. My name is Esther Mature. My school is Amasege Secondary from Form 3 Achievers.
All right. Can you take me around your school?
Okay. This is the administration block. And this is the classes, dorms. There is the boarding offices. Up there, staff rooms, classes, deputy principal's office, and the other one is humanities. We have up there, technicals, and then towards the school is big actually. Yes,
It's a big school.
yeah,
Well,
yes.
can you guide me to meet your deputy principal? I'm looking for a deputy principal.
Okay. Actually, our deputy principal of academics is here.
Okay. Yes. Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm doing good.
Yes.
Yes, thank you very much for inviting me to your school.
Thank you.
And the warm reception I've received.
Yes.
You are very good students.
Sure.
Right.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Now I can see that your school is such a magnificent place, a good place to be in, good for learning. Can you take us through your school?
Yeah, first I want to say that my name is Daniel Martin Orenge, Deputy Principal, Academic Affairs. I'm in charge of coordinating the academic programs in the school to ensure that everything goes as planned.
Oh, that's great.
Yes.
Before maybe you go very far, you can tell us a brief history. When did you join this school and how has been it from over there? Did you join as a deputy principal or started as a teacher?
I joined almost 3 years ago, that is June 2021, as a deputy principal. I came here on promotion from my former school in Kitutu Central Sub-County. Yes.
Oh, that's great.
Yes.
Now tell us, how has been the improvement since you joined the school?
Since 2021, we have always had improvement in every cases that we have taken because of some of the measures that we have put in place to ensure that everything was as planned. Yes, for example, we
can take a walk.
Okay. For example, our students, the working time is 5 a.m. That's when they're supposed to be in class, so that they can do personal studies for around 40 minutes before they go for breakfast. Remember, our school is both mixed and day. I'm talking about the boarding class students. For the day scholars, by 5:45 they are here, so that by 6 we can start what we call a mathematics policy, whereby every student is supposed to engage himself or herself in doing mathematics. We have a philosophy whereby if a learner does 5 sums a day, it is going to improve, or it's going to eliminate a D. So we ensure that students always do 5 sums a day from 6 to 6:30 before we commence on our remedial classes, whereby all the teachers who are engaged in those classes, they're here. So our teachers wake up very early in the morning. So by 6, in fact, almost 22 teachers are in school to ensure that those lessons are attended. Then, once we are done with the remedial classes, our normal teaching timetable starts at 8, and all the teachers have their personal timetables in which they are supposed to attend their classes. So we have a mechanism to ensure that all lessons are attended, whereby our class monitors are the ones who are supposed to report the Deputy Principal's Academic Affairs Office that immediately after 5 minutes, if a teacher has not entered the class, they report to me so that I can find out why the class is not attended, so that I can put a remedial mechanism. So in all our lessons, let me say 99% of the lessons are attended. They don't go unattended. So that one has helped us to put the syllabus, to complete the syllabus in good time, so that we are able to start on revision, which has really assisted our school in an upward trajectory. Because the moment you do an earlier syllabus coverage, even the low achievers, they will always benefit from the revision. So that is what we have put in place. Lessons are not attended. And then when it comes to setting of exams, and marking, we always do what we call there is a panel which sets the exam. Then there is a senior teacher in that subject who is an expert who always checks the suitability of the paper before it is submitted for typesetting and mass production. So there are checks along the process. Then before we start the marking, there is always coordination of the marking scheme to ensure that all the teachers who are marking that paper, they understand what is expected of them, and all the answers have been put in the marking scheme so that it covers every learner. Yeah, that is what we have done when it comes to examination. Then when it comes to the issue of weak learners, we normally have a consultation. We have clinics. In fact, we have clinics like now we have in science and mathematics. We have a mathematics clinic, chemistry clinic, biology clinic, whereby all the weak cases, they have been given a card which is designed. The students, they go around to the teachers to ensure that they have done consultation. So the subject teacher on Friday, he will always do what? He will always counter check whether this learner, weak learner, did he go around for consultation. Because we believe that if a student is not able to reach you, there is always another teacher who can help. Because this is a big school, we have quite a number of teachers who can help in those clinics. So there are clinics to ensure that weak learners are catered for. For the bright students, though we have not managed to get a mean grade of A and A minus for quite some time, we have put a mechanism to ensure that this year we attain a mean target of 8.5 and we get a grade of A or A minus. What are these mechanisms? We have identified 20 students whom we are mentoring. We have assigned them to some senior teachers. They coach them, they guide them. If they have social problems or challenges, they are able to assist these students, and they also coach them in their subject of specialization. So in that way, we bring them closer. So we make the school environment to be home away from home. So this has made them to be more comfortable, and with that we are hoping that we are going to get a grade A this year and a mini grade target of 8.5. Despite the fact that we have 330 candidates. Yeah, we have 330 candidates. So, apart from the 20 who have been identified and are being mentored by senior teachers, these other students have been grouped into families. So, every teacher is assigned 5 students whom he looks for. So, on Wednesdays of every week, the academic parents always meets these learners, yeah, to see whether they have challenges, so that he can able to talk to them, counsel them, and also coach them in the area of specialization. So there are academic families, and there's this special case of mentorship of the grade A that we have in place. Yeah. Then another thing is on let me say on the syllabus, selection of subjects. We always have a team which guides these learners on selection of subjects. Yes, so that they are able to make a good decision. So this work of the deputy principal academic is quite challenging, but I have a team of able officers who work under me, who assist me in carrying out these duties. So some of the officers is like now the director of studies, yeah. Then we have the quality assurance officer, and then we have the examination officer. So this team is the one which has assisted me, so that we have helped the school to move to the higher trajectory. And then with these officers, we have always monitored if it is any examination which is done. We always ensure that revision is done across all the 22 streams that we have. Yeah, there is a tool for monitoring. Yes, and then on that syllabus coverage on a weekly basis, we have an online tool whereby heads of departments they make a follow-up and they report to me that this is the work which was covered. It's an online tool. It is the WhatsApp which we use. Even the principal, even if he's not in school, is able to see at the end of the week all the work that was covered in the 22 streams. And we have that, we believe that if teachers are well prepared, all the streams should be at almost at the same par, at the same topic or subtopic by the end of the week. Yeah, so it is because of this online tool which has assisted us so much to achieve all that. Then when it comes to let me say,
maybe as you're getting it, we can talk about the discipline of the students. This discipline is correlated with the performance. Yes. Do you ensure that the students are disciplined and they are following the rules of the school?
Yes. Now you realize that discipline and excellence results, they go hand in hand. So now, by the way, our students are well disciplined. One of the tools which has really assisted us is the CCTV camera, which is installed in all the corners in the school. You remember these are mixed day and boarding school. So we have the CCTV cameras around the compound and all the dark areas. So they assist us to monitor what is happening, so we are able to see. So that one has really made our learners to be cautious on what they are doing. Then we have our school rules. Yeah, our school rules, which has really assisted us to guide them. So we have ensured that every student has a copy of the school rules. Yeah, so and the consequences of breaking the school rule is there. So we have explained to them why they should be well behaved. And the guidance and the counseling department has really assisted us so much when it comes to maybe those few transit cases that we get. Yeah, because after we have done the disciplinary part, we send the team to guidance and counseling for guidance, for counseling, and then a follow-up to see whether there is what progress. Yeah, and then we have students who love their school. Yeah, if they see there is a neighbor or there is a fellow student who is not complying, they have always come to the office to report that so and so is misbehaving or is breaking the school rule. So we always get the information firsthand. Yeah, and then we are able to address that.
Time omuntu muri on Ndizi TV nigo twabire tugosanga no mokonyi bumorokia omonene weskuru ya Amasege yobire gosanga na into Maangi anomono igoro yeskuru yabo na kibako baba bakora buya otero bisi bwao kobo kuri nabako tugwatia asenchera yomtandao o Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital and sema YouTube Ndizi TV News na wetera asomtandao to www.ndizitv.net chinze mirongo bere na inye amatuko atano na bere yebihimo mutima komoke kurende kikiro toraba tukwirana dobe tokwendera gosanga nabagwatani au ime yeskuru eye ya Amasege tobasa gusuka tobasa konyegera.
Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusii.
Spexels Opticians abo barase kliniki kyagudika imeyomo chokisi nguro bare obokoreri au burengeta maiso nigo bakonia ebirore na korenga maiso wetera chi machine chekerero chubumanyi bwegoro bono nkwanchira barechi insurance ikobwatia AAR GA Insurance Area ya Liason Eagle Africa Kenyan Alliance Pioneer Insurance Lucent Health Amoneria ya Star Discovery.
Karibuni Spexels Opticians Goodka Clinic Kisii Town. Hii ndio kliniki bora ya macho pekee yenye mashini za kisasa na za uwezo wa hali ya juu. Tuko na madaktari professional kabisa kama Daktari Sigei na tunafanya free eye test.
Mimi ndiye Daktari Sigei. Hapa kwetu Spexels Opticians tunazo frames na lenses mbalimbali. Lenses ambazo zinasaidia katika kutatua shida mbalimbali za macho kama vile kutoona mbali, kutosoma maandishi za karibu na hata kupunguza mwangaza.
Asomo chokisi nigo bagotoka angene dukene neyo bonchoreria ya Shivling Supermarket na boigo ebenki ya KCB. Mabwate boigo eduka imeyo mocho Nairobi asama gacho a Balfour House, Kimathi Street Mbarabare na Java House. Asamanke onye koganetie konyora obokoreri asomo chokisi bakire simi wetrase namba 0110505501. Noria otageto obokoreri imeyo mocho Nairobi na boko bakire simi ase namba 0110001333. Spexels Opticians, macho bora kwa wote.
Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusii.
mwanchumureria Ndizi TV nigo twendete gusanga no mukonyi bwo mworokia omonene we skuru ya Amasege yo gutumanya amange igoro enjera eskuru ye bebangete kigima aso kwene kinga okora bale buya obere ukonera emero beri babwate ase eskuru ye abe ukonera amange tubwate senchira yo mitandao Facebook Ndizi TV News digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News na wetra somtanda ito www.ndizitv.net. Dear Mr. Deputy Principal, yes. You shared with us a lot about your school, and I'm curious to know, how is your school organized in terms of streams? Do students study together, guys, girls and boys, or what arrangement have you done in school?
Okay, thank you. Our school, as I told you, is mixed day and boarding. So this is almost 4 schools in one. The boys boarding, girls boarding, girls day, girls boarding. So the two genders don't mix during learning session. Yeah, they learn independently. Like, the candidate class, which is having 330 students, they are divided into 5 classes, 5 streams. Yeah, in the 5 streams, they are taught by various teachers. So there is the boys section and then the girls section. Yeah, like now one of the classes, the Form 4 class, that is Form 4 winners, is this class. Yeah, which is having around 60 students. Yes.
You can take me through the winners class. We see how the school is, how the classes are.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, welcome. So this is the winners class, Form 4 winners, class of year 2024. So, and these are our girls, the candidate class. You can see we have our board there. They are seated. Yes.
Oh, that's great.
Yes.
Yes. Good evening, learners.
Good evening, sir.
How are you doing?
Yeah.
Yes. How do you feel about your school? Who can tell us more about your school? I mean, your experience in this school. Yes. Welcome. You look smart. Wow, that's good. Why is first of all, why is your class called winners?
The class called winners. It's proud. And it's dedicated. It's always focused.
Oh, that's great. And how many are you in this class?
About 63 students.
63 students?
Yes.
Wow, that's great. And what is your projection this year? What mean do you want to score this year?
Per class.
Or maybe this class, or generally as a school?
In generally, as a school, we want to have a mean of 8.5 plus, and per class, we have to have a mean of 8.
8. Wow, that's good. When you grow up, what do you want to become?
I like to be a doctor.
Oh, that's great. And as a class, what are you doing to do well as a school or as a stream? What are you doing? What strategies are you doing?
In class, we do have study groups that begin from 9 to 10 with various subjects, most of the core subjects. We do have a consultation time. We always go for a consultation time at 4, 5 in the clinic department for the core subjects. When we fail, we somehow look for a guidance counseling on the subject that we are not best in. And among us, we always advise each other.
Okay. Oh, that is very good. It has been nice being at your class. I wish you the very best as you are on with your studies. And we'll get to air your school on Ndizi TV. Are you happy for that?
Yes.
Yeah, so a nice time and have a nice evening. Right.
As we realize that our school is a mixed school, in which boys and girls don't mix during learning, even during assembly. Like now, the boys have their assemblies on Mondays, and then the girls on Fridays. So like now, this is our assembly ground. This is where we converge. Then they always come with their seats. They sit here. Then we conduct the program, the assembly program. That is on Mondays for boys and then on Fridays for the girls. Now, this part here is the boundary of the two genders. This is the boys section, whereas this is the girls section. Yeah, this is our dining room. Otherwise, most of the teachers conduct their activities from the department offices. We only come here at 10 a.m. for briefs. Yeah, that's when we converge here, and we also come here to take lunch. Otherwise, most of the time, our teachers are at their departmental offices. So, like down there, that is the Form 4 boys block. That is Form 4 heroes. This is Form 4 champion, and behind it is the dormitory section for the boys. Then this side down there, behind the administration block, we have the girls section, the girls dormitory, where they sleep. Yeah, the water system is connected there, so they do most of the things from the dormitory side before they come to the learning areas up here. Then behind here, we have a laboratory. In fact, we have two labs. So that's the senior lab. Then there is another junior lab there. Then behind here, we have the kitchen section where our students serve their meals from. Yes.
Okay, that's great.
Yes.
Thank you very much for your time. I think now you shall take us to your laboratories, where you shall also get to introduce us to another teacher. We'll talk more about the experience in the school. Thank you very much.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, this is one of our science labs in which our students practice science. That is biology and chemistry, and some of the teachers out of that subject are here, who are being assisted by the lab technicians. So this evening we are grateful to meet our teacher, that is Madam Ruth Ngoko, the biology teacher, Mr. Colin, who is our lab technician, Mr. Bideris Maangi, who is our chemistry mathematics teacher, and Mr. Jasper Yakundi, who is also our chemistry maths teacher, and then Mr. Oseko, who is our biology chemistry teacher. Yeah, they have really assisted our learners in the areas of science. Yes.
So thank you very much, Mwalimu, for your time. Now I can proceed to have a chat with Madam. We've been talking with gentlemen. Yes. Now it's time to talk also with the female gender of the school.
Yes.
They also give us the experience in their school. Thank you, teachers, for the good work you are doing. We'll keep on interacting. Thank you very much for introducing us to your school. Thank you very much.
Okay.
All right. So, Madam, good evening. How are you doing? I'm also doing well. Kindly, could you start by introducing yourself?
My name is Madam Ruth Ngoko, a teacher of chemistry and biology. I teach in Amasege Secondary School. I've been working here for the last 5 good years. I teach more biology than chemistry because I specialized more on that in this institution. So
Madam is the model.
Yeah, thank you. We help runners to accept biology as a science and also motivate runners and give them that knowledge that they require and like the subject. Biology has been a subject that most of students think it's a booster in this institution. For example, we have a mean of 7 at this time for the Form 4s, for the ASHA exams that we were able to do with other schools. We were able to perform well in this subject. We coordinate well with the teachers of biology. We are 7 in number in this institution. We are led by our HOS, Mr. Marita James. and we work under that STEM to ensure that we have perfect results and wonderful results that will help these runners to pursue science courses like medicine, nursing, and for the previous years we've been doing that, and we've achieved what we want to achieve. And then another thing I would like to talk about in this, when we are doing practicals, as you can see our lab, we rack some apparatus. The lab is not well equipped, but we try as much as possible to carry out the practical activities and ensure that runners attain the skill of observation from the practical. And then another thing I will be able to say, we've been in cooperation with the primary Amasege for the CPC. The students come here for practical sessions. I was pressured to meet the grade 7 and the grade 6 students to take them through the practical on the microscope. So we are grateful to have those students. We are very much ready, and then the CPC is well equipped, and the runners are much fair as compared to these runners. I hope I will talk.
Generally, how could you say about your experience in this school since you joined here, the interaction, the collaboration from the school management? How are the students? Talk about the parents, your cooperation in this school.
Yeah, the cooperation in this school, I've been a class teacher for 4 good years in Form 4 winners, and I'm also the principal coordinator for the Form 4 candidates class. The cooperation that I've seen here is much, and also the administration is supportive to support the teachers in this institution so that we will have a wonderful result at the end of the day. Also, the parents are cooperative to this society, a school which is found in this society. Parents have been supporting us so much. Even the students, even though the entry behavior is raw, the students are able to have a performance that is so wonderful, and most people are being attracted to this institution because of the performance. Hiyo imeinua shule, imefanya wanafunzi wamejaa kwa hii shule. We started with 3 streams, and by this time we have 6 streams for each form, and that one as we make a school to be huge as we are able to see.
As you conclude on your part, what motivates you as a teacher in this school?
What
to wake up every morning, to attend remedials, and also to teach the students?
Number one, I'm motivated because when I remember 10 years ago, I was a student in this institution, and then I was posted here by TSC. So I'm very proud that I schooled here, and that one makes me motivate more students that even if you are schooling in Amasege, you will become a better person as I look today. So that one keeps me and makes me stronger to wake up every day and assist runners to look good as I look today, because I was assisted in those days.
Mwanchumuriria on Ndizi TV niko twabere tugusanga no mukonyi gumorokia twabawigo tugusanga nigati yaborokia beskuruye asebondo igato tugusanga ni madam otinete amangana aya ya senses oboigo okobaga gosomia abana ase amangana rengeti practicals ogeyo konera amange goro yeskuru eye abuno turatugenda ase umutima korera wona gotubwate gwetera subtana ito Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital wentera asumtana ito www.ndizitv.net na inyama tugatano na bire nyoranga ekirenga gitekerane no sema kumanye naye naenda bonza bora segerega kemu wika ase kerengo kende gwetera ase okugwatia emegano y'abantu bande nabango batabinga obubisi bwo gweta byabo so obubisi bwo kora bya so bugima nigo gwekene ensegima. Success principles are universal ase gokora okugwati morobere abokwemanya amangera yokonya uswa kurase kerenga kemu wika ase ekerengo kende ase ntunda yende ndobe tugusanga naboro kiwa beskure kwanera anene moro igoro iskure tubasa uska tubasa konyegera kwena to ase katari ege tambe.
Ndizi TV, obwansu bw'Omugusii.
Amariogo yemete nigabeire richibwa se amarwaire au nonya na yasinyire ase chinyagitari. Super Medical Center igotoka somo chiobosongo nigotokwegokeria kurwa bowenia wetrasa marioga yo kurwa se chinse chesko. Ngurwaria tora marwaire buna ulcers, cancer, asthma na yanda manke ayokoringori wa nech machine chaito.
Ngoro cross mora daktari kurwe company ya Super Medical Center igotoka somo chiobosongo igangurwari tora marwaire amange. Ande karawa chine ntobwate chi machine chigokumureka chiarora nkikero bobe. Tigo kumureka umubiri umugima gwansira umutu mpaka inse na ikigo tatengikere bo byamarwaire kyobwate twamanya kwa mariogo abana abandi machine yengo murekera yarora mejando kyabwate twaba mariogo itongo ikale mbali neba no muchiokeroka neba ngirigori cia mariogo itona bakugwikera neba Mombasa onya koro ekara wakire simi na bukurwari
ikaso mochiobosongo ase stage yechigari otwakire simi ase chinamba chikobwatia 0737746368 Gose 0712526764
Nabantu abange baeteire gana inde bagwenire igo totwara bwoba bunde bwese akara bwachire ese kwaranyura mariogo munali anyagitari kwangire koigubiya morwaire munali ale chronic nkonyarwari tole.
Ndizi TV, obwansu bw'Omugusii.
Montumururi ya Ndizi TV kwa nibene ase entunda yende ime yomoroberio Omogano Oito asitoko tugusanga nichi skuru au chikampuni nabo iko ebyombe byabere bigokora bya ase emyaka tole nekerenga tugoseme okumanya nabo iko naiko kwa omukia naigwetera ase emigano tugusanga nabo gosokurwa sekerenge kemo uika ase ekerengo kindi ase marwabe abono twendete gusanga na nababwatani akurwa se skuru ya Amasege secondary igutoka ime ye bunge ya Nyamira Masaba county ya Kisii nzoba tugusanga no mworokia omonene amokonyoye nabo igo igatia borokia baba bagusanga igoro ye skuru yabo azikolende emarwabano kalabebo igo tugusanga na boroki wenyoranga aborokigwa ose abanafunzi abakogera ababwatani ababonsi baba wikerana ase chiskuru singinjo aborokigwa ba nigotobete skuru bakigosoma ntokunyara kwa nabarwa senchira yeke kusi kujosanga nabarwa gutera asenchira yomunwa gwekenyamuliro basanga n'intu anomonogere skuru yabo tubwata somtandayito Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, hakala somtandayito www.ndizitv.net yabona tuchagusanga nabo asenchira ya bene. Good evening students.
Good evening.
Yes, I'm so glad to have come to your school and to have interacted with a number of stakeholders. I interacted with the principal, deputy principal, and also a number of students. As a way of introduction, could you start introducing yourself and you also say the form that you are in? Let's start from the boys or the girls first. Ladies first. Yes. As Gen Zs, you still believe that one exists?
No.
Nowadays you can start anyway. But let's start from my far left. Let's start.
Okay, my name is Esther Machel from Pembroke.
And my name is Kennedy Bosire from Form 2 Heroes. My name is Great Mukai from Form 3 Heroes. My name is Fabian Bahati from Form 3 Heroes.
They usually say form 3 ndio wameshikilia shule. If form 3s are good, the school is good. If the form 3s are not doing well, the school is not doing well. So it's a good choice of having form 3s here for this candid discussion. First of all, let's start by a way, because form 3, we could say like you've been in this school for quite some time. Could you give your experience in this school? How has it been since you joined this school?
According to me, since I joined this school, it was 2022, and I was proud to be in this school because when I was in my primary school, I heard of this school that it was a good school and it was a public school. And actually, in this school, we have a lot of discipline. So first of all, we have what we call an MBR. That's what we call movement by running. So if you go outside, you cannot see any student wearing or doing anything that is not supposed to be done in this school. And also, we have rules in this school. And when we talk about rules, we have a rule which must use common sense. So we as students, we must analyze ourselves and know that what we are supposed to do in this school, because what brought us in this school is all about education, nothing else.
How does that like working or girls are growing and like to work well? How has it been the terrain of this school? Has it a clean school? How was it adapting to this school? Where you come from,
according to me, I joined this school in 2023, and then I was eager to know this school because I heard the performances are good. And then about the rules of the school, the moving was better. And then, you walk like a focused person. Yeah, so like I was eager, but sometimes when it reached not first term, like I hear these challenges, like I see the tech and a lot of trying to adapt to the understand. Yeah. So like it was difficult for me, and then I said to my colleague students that I could like to transfer to another school. But as the time goes by, I realized I catch up the way they do have. And then I feel that this is the place that I want to be. Like even our principal is a good teacher, even is more than our dad.
Yes,
so I decided,
our principal doesn't like to take himself as a principal by making himself huge. Yes, also, he comes even to classes to teach, like any person, any teacher who is focused on his work. Yes.
Is there anyone who has not been to boarding before and then this was your first time coming to boarding school?
Yes. When I was in class 8, it was in 2020. I think it's 2022.
Which school was it?
It was St. Matthias Junior Girls, but it was before it was known as Junior Girls, but it was changed its name to St. Matthias. Now it was changed to be a mixed. There was boys and girls. Now when I did my KCPE examinations, I actually scored good marks, 314 marks. I like to come to this school. Now, because the principal is a good person, he actually gave me the opportunity to join this school. And I was very happy because I was dreaming like to go a school which is far, and a school which is a performing school, and a school which is a boarding. And when I was in term 1 in Amasege, I was very happy because it was my dream to come to this school. Yes, and I like this school because it has discipline, high discipline.
Yes.
There's
something I realized when I noticed that as much as the school is mixed school, separated, we have boys and girls mentioned different. And,
yes.
And you don't easily either. So sometimes you tend to different guys. Oh, how is that?
But sometimes we are during these optional subjects which we actually interact with them. And now, not all the time we are interacting. Even when we are worshiping during Saturdays, we interact with them.
How is that? You were used to in your own primary school, you were sitting together with boys, but now here you're being to sit alone. How is that experience? How is that?
According to me, first of all, I like to stay in my primary school. I joined a boarding school when I was in classes, just girls that transformed in Machakos. And then it was not difficult for me to be in different or separated classes. So I was like, it is normal because I understand. Yeah. About me, when me I was in boarding school, when I was in primary school, I was studying at secondary school. Of course, it was a messy school, but I come to class like to see that even we come to the school and be separated. There is no because I come to realize if we were not to the boys, then you have to concentrate to these boys and not to us.
No.
Is it true that you could not concentrate?
No, you can concentrate because the time you are seated with a boy, you don't have that very much kind of talk to me. But the time you are seated with that, your work is just to watch. Yeah. But the things you are talking with a boy is.
But at least you get some time to interact. Now, can you talk about your days of worship? When you go to church and how is the experience going to church?
Our days of worship is Saturday. Yeah, that's when worship was. But when we are worshiping, the girls are sitting this side and this side. So it's very difficult.
When you came to school, you came to study. Now, let's talk about how is your choir, how is the pastor.
So, according to the choir, so I talk all about the choir, it's all good because we have some of the perfect leaders, and we also some.
Then our pastor is so strict.
Yes, he's so strict. He knows what he is doing.
And remember,
yes,
this is a mixed school. So if our pastor finds you that you are not concentrating in this choir, you are here, you are literally you are doing anything that is not supposed to be doing in that choir, he cannot spare you.
And also, we have spiritual leaders, which are strict to conduct themselves during when we are worshiping. They know what they are doing. And now, our pastor usually gets easier time to conduct us during the worshiping day. Yes.
And also, this misbehaviors, for example, let's say that someone has misbehaved. So, what I like about our pastor is not that person that I'm a pastor. So, if this person has done a mistake, I will act like a pastor and tell him that, boy, no, stop doing this. Yes, he will also tell you, but there's sometimes he uses a whip. No, we are students, without a whip, a student cannot do anything. No, this is the generation.
Okay, sometimes you say that even Jesus is the king.
Yes. And that's it.
But they usually say that work without play makes that handful about cookery practice, games and other.
Yeah. So, for games are doing good stuff. Yeah, even these like last we went to Zoom music festival.
For music?
Yeah. And for ball games, you also go outside for ball games. And also, when we talk about music, we know we have a good and supportive teacher in music. So, first of all, I'd like to congratulate our teacher of music because he has done a good job. Because since this school started, I think we have gone to regional 2 times. And by this is a record we have set because I think we were not somehow interested much in this music because all we knew is that even if you go to music, there are another tough schools which you cannot defeat. But surprisingly, when we went there, we defeated them and we went to a regional school. Yeah, and we went to regionals. And that's why I thank our music teacher because he had done good job, and also our principal for supporting us. Yes.
Yeah, also I can say about activities. Our teachers they support us when we have some class like journalism class one I am in a club of journalists. I like that. So and then I feel that I am blessed to be in this school because of our principal that we have been supporting.
Yes.
So thank you.
So I want to give a time one boy and one girl to speak good about the school and we encourage others as well they should do in the school. Who's going to speak on the both side? And speak. You want to speak on the other side? You want to talk. No, you want to talk, so you want to speak. And he is going to teach you a lot of maths, right? So you can talk.
Okay. I like to say thank you for giving this opportunity. First of all, let me thank God because of this kindness. Because in this not this God, even this whole world is going to be here. So I would like to talk about my school, Amasege, because it is a very good and disciplined school. Since I joined this school in 2022, I've experienced many things inside this school. So first of all, I would like to say our principal is a very, very, very good I've never seen in this society school. So our principal will help us as students and motivate high because you see, even if you have a challenge, he is open to everyone. He can even talk to you and give us a suggestion on what to do in this life. You see, many students have challenges and problems from the families we come from different backgrounds. So he's a person that who understands. So from that, I would like to congratulate him because at this school we have a lot of focus.
I know you can speak much about your principal. Just about 30 seconds. Thank you. Yeah, for what I like to tell the other people to come here. Amasege actually at this school. It's very interesting school, this new one. Yeah, the teachers are very our principal here helps us learning, get enough stuff for life. That's good. I'm glad to have shared this with you this evening. And thank you very much for taking your time. Alright, you want something else to say? So what I'd like to say is this. First, thank you guys for coming to our school because I think our school is the most knowledgeable school is in terms of performance. What made me to say is most knowledgeable performance. Actually, there are some outside schools which you are not defeating the other years. But when we came to realize that education is the key to success, that's when our teachers said that then you cannot unlock any door without having achieved. So first of all, you must what we call have an education in the key to success. What made me talk about this? It's all about our education in this school. Our principal has made a library. So I also want to talk about this school. I want our principal to finish building that library so that we can have a space, a room which is a very good and related to the room have studies.
I think your appeal has reached all to the stakeholders. Yes, you talked much about your school. Yes. And thank you very much for your time. Yes. And I'm so glad to have come to Amasege. This is not the last time. Still come to your school and we get to share with you so that we may be able to exhaust everything that you had and had. Thank you very much for your time. Want to know Ndizi TV? Abana borokiwa school ya Amasege egotoka ime yebunge nyalibali basaba ekawuti ya Kisii basangire 90 amange anenomono igoro y'eskuru ya bubi bonto kusanga na aborokiwa kule wiki elia eta basanga no morokia omonene asego imaite ko biro ko imanye amange zinatoka tebuna potambe ekerenge kenene no kina na kurwa sekerenge kemo wika sekerenge kende imaitinga kwa biro gututege nteke mo kwanye robo bisi ubwabo bokorobya inganira ro kunyana na security kilichawa asesukuri more ego kina mwebo kone kene ni mamo moso kwa sekerenge kemo wika asekerenge kende ritene kuruko je Maangi ne ba kone kenchi chichi bugana mariuki bida wikira asenchira jobo ikirano Peter Sultan Oban nabatakire ubururia ubuyemya Ndizi TV nabo umunso umugusii